Alright, we have a Chevy Malibu, a big headlight job. Take the bumper off. Let's make that not happen. Alright, first thing you should do, take this off. Then, see this? Take this off. Alright, see this little wire? Snip that. The computer, main issue. Need to take that off. Move that out the way. And you can see right up in it. Move this out, see this little ground. Disconnect that. Pull that out, move that out the way. Alright. Oh, here we go. Big light bulb. There we go, light bulb. Okay. There we go. Let's see, it got a little clip. Got two clips actually. Alright, I'm just gonna disconnect this. I need two hands, so alright, bye.